Yes?
Tu as for me the massage?
Oh. You want a massage, eh?
If you have one for me, yes.
Yeah. Why don't you try Tokyo Little, the end of the block? Ask for Passion Flower Shirley, the Yokohama butterfly.
And why should I do that?
Well, you want a massage, don't you?
Yes, but I want it from you.
Sir, I don't give massages.
But you gave me one only this morning.
See, you're mistaken.
Look, don't you try the tricks anglais with me, monsieur. I received the message this morning from Inspector Quinlan of the Yard of Scotland.
The massage!
And it was you that gave it to me.
Message!
What?
You mean message?
Look, I know what I mean, you lunatic. Now, do you or do you not have for me the massage?
He just went up to his room. I'll ring.
Yes, this is Chief Inspector Clouseau.
Turn your bed down, sir. 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 Turn your bed down, sir.